Hello class, today we're going to learn how to solve questions in style practice 6.3, questions 3. Okay, here are the questions. Questions 3, you can see all the questions here are combined three-dimensional object. So the question asks you to calculate the combined surface area uh, for the following three dimensions object, surface area. Okay, surface area means outside, everything that's covered. Okay, let's see how to solve questions A. Questions A. Okay, so for questions A, you can see is a combination of a hemisphere and a cylinder. Okay, so for hemisphere first, for this part, hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere is half of the sphere. Okay, it's half of the sphere. We know that the formula for sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, so half of it is 2 pi r square. So to calculate to get the surface area for the hemisphere is 2 times 22 over 7, and this is pi times the radius. Okay, to get the radius always from center to the surface. So we can see actually given that 10 centimeter is diameter, so we have to divide into 2. So the radius is 5. Okay, then you can get what is the surface area for this. Please press your calculator and get the answer. So it is 1100 over 7. Okay, next look at the cylinder. Okay, we cannot use the formula for cylinder because one of the circle on the top of the circle, this circle is covered, is missing, is cannot included. The surface area is only this part, the curved surface and the circle. So first talk about the curved surface. Okay, the formula for the curved surface is 2 pi RH. Okay, why is it 2 pi RH? Why is it 2 pi RH? So you can see this curve 2 pi r actually calculate what is the length of this circumference. When you divide, when you open up this cylinder, you will get a rectangle. Okay, and this one 2 pi r is here when you open up, and then the height of the cylinder. Okay, so the problem is how we're going to get the height of the cylinder. And given the 12 centimeter is not the height, the 12 centimeter it belongs to cylinder and the hemisphere. So the height here is 12 centimeter, but we have to minus the height of the hemisphere. Okay, the height of the hemisphere is similar to the radius. Okay, is the radius, so we have to minus 5. Okay, so you will get 7. Okay, so for this part is 2 pi RH, and then for circle will be pi r square, pi r square. So for the surface area for the cylinder, okay, is 2 pi RH plus pi r square. Okay, so it's 2 times 22 over 7 times radius 5 times the height, and just how you calculate is 7. So plus the circle times 5 square. Okay, then you please calculate separate. So for this, okay, you can cancel out the 7 and then you multiply, you will get 220 plus the one behind, uh, 25 times 22 over 7. So it's 550 divided by 7. So total up, okay, sum out everything, you will have 2090 over 7. Okay, So to get the total surface area, you have to sum out this and this. Okay, so total surface area is 1100 over 7 plus 2090 over 7. Okay, so you have 3190 over 7, and this one you can change to decimal, 455.71 centimeter square. Okay, I will continue for questions B and C in the next video.